My name is Kellie Krenning. I'm from Montana and I have synovial sarcoma cancer. I was having heart attack symptoms actually, where there was just a lot of pressure on my chest. I couldn't sleep. And then one morning my left arm just went numb and I was like, I better go to the doctor. And they couldn't find anything wrong, but then they found fluid around my heart and it was suffocating my organs. And that's where they did open heart surgery and then found out that I had a tumor behind my heart. Directly into treatment plan of very aggressive chemo and radiation. And it just kept coming back. It just keeps coming back. Every 3 months, it just keeps coming back. Every time I go get scans, I have more tumors or more cancer somewhere else around the heart. When I was told that the only other option was pretty much just be on chemo pills the rest of my life, then I went out and I did a lot of research and tried to find a place that fit me best and what I felt comfortable with. I found ITC actually through a Facebook site that like a whole bunch of cancer patients are on this Facebook site, and there was a lot of good recommendations coming to ITC. So I just got online and I checked it out, and the first thing I did was call to see if I could get a meeting with Dr. Batista, and within a day they had me on the phone and they wanted to talk to me, and it just felt like the right place right away. They said, I mean, they do all the right things here that I wanted to try. I was super impressed. I mean, it was very comfortable, very, very comfortable, which was really huge for me. And it wasn't a big medical center. You know, it's warm, it's inviting, everybody's friendly. The food's great. I mean, everything was just makes you feel comfortable. And that's what you need. That's what you need when you're going through something like this. You need to feel comfortable all the time. You don't want to feel like you're a patient or a number, and you don't. It's been great. Talk to Dr. Batista every Monday. I mean, it's like clockwork. You know, you have your appointment set every Monday to talk to him, and then I talk to Dr. Alvarez, which is my doctor, pretty much every day. Anytime I want to see him or need to see him, then he's there. And the nurses have been fantastic. You get to know them very well, and everybody's just been. The treatment process has been amazing. I feel better every day, and like I keep telling everybody, which none of them believe me at home, but like I feel better than I have in years. And I've been fighting this for a little over 2 years, and I've been here for a little while, but I feel better than I have in years. And I really think it does have to do with the therapies that they're doing. Nothing is hard, nothing hurts. It's all good, and it all feels good in your system. So I was here for 4 weeks getting the treatments and the therapies, and I went and got scans, and my tumors were smaller, and I had no new growth, which has not happened in 2 years. Because I feel like it's working. I don't have any pain. I used to have a lot of pain like in my side and in my chest, and I don't have that pain anymore either. The media and, you know, people talking, and it's the United States, and then especially in Montana, you know, everybody's like, you're not going to Tijuana. And then I did come, and I even came alone. So, and right when I got here, then I wasn't scared. Like right when they picked me up from the airport and I talked to them on the way down, like it was just relaxing. I was not scared, and I have not been scared one time. Yeah, I would not steer anybody away from coming to Tijuana at all. When I first came down, I just gave them my flight information. They got a hold of their shuttle company that ITC uses and gave them my flight information, and they're in constant contact with me right when I got off the plane. They're telling me exactly what letter to be at San Diego airport, what they're driving, who it's going to be, their number, and yeah, that was very comforting. So ITC did set me up with a confirmation number and everything for the hotel. I got to pick where I wanted to stay, and they took care of it, getting those reservations, and then when I got there, they dropped me off and everything was in line and no problems even checking in or anything, it's just a big weight lifted off your chest when you don't have to deal with any of that kind of stuff. It just makes it way easier to just come here for treatment, and that's why you're here. I've loved the nutrition program, and I ask for recipes every day. I ask the nutritionist for more recipes just so I can take them home with me. That's like my biggest panic when I get home, is like, how am I going to eat, or how am I going to stay on this, and I can with their help with all of these recipes. And the cooks are fantastic, and the food's fantastic, everything's fresh. I mean, it tastes good and it makes you feel good. I would highly recommend it, and I have. I have already. Yeah, lots of times actually. I'm just hoping that people take my advice. What do you have to lose? You know, you're just look forward, don't look back, look into the future, and there's help out there. There's help, and people are willing to help you. Just do it. Just completely do it, because I was scared at the beginning too, but don't be scared. It's your life. It's your life you're talking about, and it's pretty important. My type of cancer is just so rare. It's less than 0.05% of all cancers, and so it's just yeah, it's scary because there's nothing you can do about it. And then when you come to a place like this and you actually get a little hope, that's what makes you emotional. I'm very hopeful. And it's been working, so if it's been working, then